What's up, everybody? It's Real Cool Adventures. What we're doing right now is we're gonna cast net some bait. We're looking for anything. We don't care what it is. It could be pilchards, it could be sand perch, mullet, anything will work. Then we're gonna take it, go look for some cleaner water, and you're gonna see what we're gonna catch in a few minutes. It's late summer and the water's nice and hot, so all these bait fish are in this shade up underneath these mangroves. I'm throwing a 1/4-inch mesh cast net. We're gonna get some bait. Okay, that's all we need. Right there. Bunch of perfect little sardines and pilchards. Now let's go catch some stuff. Now, a lot of people think you need a big net to catch fish. It's a little 4-foot, 1/4-inch mesh cast net, and it does the trick. That's all you need. You don't need a 12-foot net. I mean, we could throw a 12-foot net, but what are you gonna do with 500 pounds of baby sardine? Not a catch, clean, and cook sardine video. Cool as that? Yeah, it's game time. So we put a little bit of salt water in there so it don't dry out too much. That's plenty of bait. You can catch pretty much anything that lives in the ocean will eat that. Even us. Ready? Let's go do it. Every time we pull up here, Herman comes right up to the boat, and he actually wants us to feed us, which I don't think is illegal. We don't do it. Check him out. Comes right up. It's almost like he knows the pitch of this boat motor. Comes right up to us every time. But as you can see, problem with boats and motors. Look at Herman. See Herman's face, his head? That's where a Carolina skip bounced off him one day. But get him out in deeper water. She just yelled in the background, said she's on another pile of Mantis shrimp. Let's go check them out. Now, in recent years, these things have literally been wiped out. These conchs used to be all over these flats. Pretty cool to see them making a comeback. Here's one right here. A lot of times you'll see a hole like that, and what you want to do is, the reason you see me dusting it off, is if you dust it off, and all of a sudden you come back a second later, and the sand slides down in, and you see that round cylinder, that means it's an active hole. They're down in there. But I did that to that one. Obviously there's not one in there. If there is, he's probably small. The bigger ones will actually, they'll flutter like that and kick the sand back out, because they don't want to get covered up. Like, you know what I mean? They're smart. So let's keep on moving. See that? That's a sign that there's one in there. See where his claw broke off? That was right next to the hole. I probed around there, see if he's in there. If he was in there, there'd be a void, and the arrow would go down deep. So we're gonna keep on moving. I don't think there's one in there. But you can see the signs that this guy's moved out. Maybe something ate him. I'm not sure what, but we found his claw sitting right there. So let's get on the move. So we left this arrow here with the bait, and we're out snorkeling around trying to spot other, whatever they're called, Mantis Shrimp, a catfish. I just walked up on it. A catfish is literally sitting here, and I think he's got a bait in his mouth. Check this out.
Standing on my own 2 feet, I'm dancing to my solo beat. I party on my own supply, hanging with myself and I.
What a lot of people don't realize, I've been stung by these before. This to me hurts worse more than a snake bite or anything you could ever get stung by. The fin on the top of that thing actually has a venom in it that it's used to, when they're small, they're really sharp, and they have a stronger venom when they're small because the sharks get them in their mouth. They'll prick the shark at the top of the mouth, and these jokers will spike you so hard. If you're not careful with them. I got a treble hook in the back, that's why I'm not playing with them. But yeah, we caught him. He's going on the grill. Well, we didn't completely strike out yet. We're in here looking for Mantis Shrimp. Sometimes things change. It's the way life is. We had a great time today, and we ended up with this beautiful little channel cat. The rat-a-tat-tat, that's that. Let's go home and eat the channel cat.